Okay, so this tutorial is related with creating anchor links on the page. So let's say, for example, you have a page like this where you have multiple headings going all the way down. So these are heading 3s, H3 tags. We're coming down the page here, and then we have all of these titles, which of course we want to link to all of these titles here going up the page. So kind of like a table of contents. So usually you would have this at the top of the page and it would scroll down. But on this page we have it at the bottom. So what are anchor links? So anchor links are also referred to as jump menu links or table of contents. They are links that instantly take you to a specific part of the page. On an internal page, the same page, or an external page. The anchor destinations are typically specified by using either naming it with an attribute or with an ID. Both methods are fully compliant with W3C standards. So what are the pros? One of the biggest advantages of anchor links is creating a better user experience when somebody is browsing your site. So when you have a page like this with lots of headings, it's nice to have this. Okay, so there is one way to do it if you're using Visual Composer. You can divide all of these up into separate sections and then create an element ID for each one and have it that way. But let's say we have it all in one box like this, or we're just using the classic mode like this. Okay, so classic mode and this way that I'm going to show you now is the same. So everything here is in one box. So the first thing that we need to do is let's go into the text and let's go to the first link. Okay, so here are all our links here that we just saw on the front end. So I've already done it. So the first one we want to do is dramatization, and we want that to be clicked and scroll up here. The reason why it's not showing the title is because we've got the sticky header happening here. But you can see how here it's scrolled straight up to dramatization. Okay, so how do we do that? It's very simple. So we just create a link here. And I've created a unique ID with no capitals. And I put here the # or the hash. Okay, so we just need to remember this. Copy that, apply it. So that's what we've done here. So then let's save this. And now let's go to the heading. Let's open this a little bit. So you can see here dramatization. This is where we want to link it to. This is where we want the anchor. So let's go to text mode. And let's find dramatization, which is just here. Okay, so all we've done is just added this ID equals, parenthesis, and then the ID that we use. So remember we use dramatization, so we don't put the pound in here. We remove that. Okay, so exactly like this. So we're just adding this section here, making sure we have a space. Okay, and this is your unique ID, exactly like this. So let me go back to the visual. You can't see anything, but the ID has been placed there. So then we click save. Let's preview. Okay, coming down. So the table of contents, or the link, you can see here, as I showed earlier, it's linked. And it pops straight up. Okay, so now I have to do this with all of these headings. Okay, thanks for watching.